floorboards moan before the sun can rise. I'm staring at the ceiling with my heavy, weary eyes. The coffee's black and bitter, a ghost is in the hall, leaving shadows of a man where the morning light should fall. He works the Iron Valley till the sky's bruised and red, while I'm counting every heartbeat in a quiet, lonely bed. The house is just a hollow shell, a cage of wood and stone, waiting for a father's hand to reclaim what he should own. There's a thunder in the heavens, there's a whistle on the track, but nothing hits as lonesome as a heart that's turning back. Across this dusty county, you can hear the sorrow ring in the quiet, lonesome rattle of a key inside the ring. The copper teeth are biting, the tumblers start to slide, the sound of a whole lifetime being locked away outside. It's the echo of a secret, it's a prayer without a name, the rattling of a metal lock that puts the wind to shame. I've heard the winter howling, I've heard the devil's roar, but the hardest thing I ever felt was a key inside that door. No goodbye said in person, no hand to hold my own, just that click of iron silver telling me I'm all alone. There's a thunder in the heavens, there's a whistle on the track, but nothing hits as lonesome as a heart that's turning back. Across this dusty county, you can hear the sorrow ring in the quiet, lonesome rattle of a key inside the ring. Just a click, just a rattle in the dark, the coldest sound at his home, but I'm still alone.